बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। पीएमएस पाकिस्तान स्टडीज़ पेपर में जो हमारा ईयर है ऑब्जेक्टिव पार्ट का, दैट इज़ 2006, इसमें एमसीक्यूज़ नहीं थे, फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स थे, जो कि पहली थी, द इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस वाज इस्टेब्लिश्ड इन डैश बाय डैश। That is, Indian National Congress was established in 1885 by A.O. Hume. Next, All India Muslim League was established in Dash at Dhaka, and its first president was Dash. All India Muslim League was established in 1906 at Dhaka, and its first president was Sir Aga Khan. Urdu-Hindi controversy first started at Benares in the year 1867. Dash laid the foundation of British Association in Dash. Sir Syed laid the foundation of British Indian Association in 1866. The Prince of Bengal was partitioned in Dash, and its annulment was declared in Dash. The Province of Bengal was partitioned in 1905, and its annulment was declared in 1911. The Quaid-e-Azam became a member of Muslim League in Dash and resigned from the membership of Congress in Dash. He resigned from Congress in 1920, and Muslim League joined in 1913. Dash laid the foundation of National Mohammedan Association in Dash. Sir Syed Amir Ali laid the foundation of National Muhammad Association in 1877. The first Governor General of Pakistan was Muhammad Ali Jinnah, and while of Bharat, Lord Mountbatten became his counterpart. Military assets were to be divided between Pakistan and Bharat with a ratio of Dash and Dash respectively. Military assets were to be delivered between Pakistan and Bharat with a ratio of 36% and 64% respectively. Pakistan became the member of UNO in 1947. The chairman of boundary commissions Punjab and Bengal was Dash, and the award was declared on Dash. The chairman of boundary commissions was Radcliffe, and award was declared on 17th August. Dash presented the objective resolution in the Constituent Assembly, which was passed on. Liaquat Ali Khan presented the objective resolution in the Constituent Assembly, which was passed on 12th March 1949. Dash inaugurated the State Bank of Pakistan with a sum of rupees 2 July 1948. Dash was declared as a state religion under the Constitution of Pakistan in 1973. Under the Constitution of Pakistan 1973, Islam was declared as a state religion under the Constitution. First Constitution of Pakistan was framed in Dash and was abrogated by Dash. बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। PMS पाकिस्तान स्टडीज़ पेपर जो ऑब्जेक्टिव पार्ट है उसका जो हमारा आज का ईयर है दैट इज़ 2006 के बाद जो PMS हुआ था दैट वाज ऑफ 2009। इसमें जो फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स थे उनमें जो पहला है वो थे मेमोरेंडम ऑफ शिमला डेपुटेशन वाज ड्राफ्टेड बाय डैश and the deputation met the Viceroy Dash on 1st October 1906 at Simla. इसका आंसर है द मेमोरेंडम ऑफ शिमला डेपुटेशन वाज ड्राफ्टेड बाय सैयद अली बिलग्रामी एंड द डेपुटेशन मेट द वाइसरॉय डैश लॉर्ड माउंटबेटन ऑन 1st October 1906 at Simla. The first regular session of All India Muslim League was held at Karachi under the presidency of Adamji Peer Boy. The credit for bringing about a rapprochement between the Muslim League and Congress Lucknow Pact goes to Muhammad Ali Jinnah, while amongst the Hindus the name of Bal Gandhar Tilak can be mentioned. Next है खिलाफत movement in India received a setback when Gandhi suddenly decided to scrap the plan after the disturbances at Churachori. The Indian Muslims were forced to organize counter movements of Dash and Dash in response to the aggressive Hindu movements of Shuddhi and Sanghatan. The Indian Muslims were forced to organize counter movements of Tabligh and Tanzeem in response to aggressive Hindu movements of Shuddhi and Sanghatan. Of the two Muslim members of Congress committee which prepared Nehru report, Dash could not attend due to illness, while Dash did not endorse the views of the committee. That is, one of the two Muslim members of the Congress committee which prepared Nehru report, Ali Imran Saeed, could not attend due to his illness, while Shoaib Qureshi did not endorse the views of the committee. During the Hindi-Urdu controversy, Campbell Anthony, Lieutenant Governor of Bengal and Bihar, and MacDonald, Lieutenant Governor of UP, supported Hindi against Urdu language. Dash laid the foundation of British Indian Association in Dash. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan laid the foundation of British Indian Association in 1866. The Congress ministries resigned in Dash, and on the appeal of Quaid-e-Azam, the day of deliverance was observed on Dash. The Congress ministries resigned in November 22, and on the appeal of Quaid-e-Azam, the day of deliverance was observed in 22 December 1939. The Muslim members of Punjab Boundary Commission were: first, Deen Muhammad Justice, and second, Muhammad Munir Justice. PMS पाकिस्तान स्टडीज़ पेपर ऑब्जेक्टिव पार्ट में जो 2009 के बाद जो PMS हुआ दैट वाज इन 2012 एंड दैट इज़ इनमें फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स थे जो उनमें जो पहली थी वो है डायरार्ची वाज इंट्रोड्यूस्ड अंडर द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया एक्ट डैश नॉन एज डैश रिफॉर्म्स. डायरार्ची वाज इंट्रोड्यूस्ड अंडर द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया एक्ट 1919 known as Montague-Chelmsford reforms. Quaid-e-Azam resigned from Indian National Congress in Dash as a protest against Dash. Quaid-e-Azam resigned from Indian National Congress in 1920 as a protest against non-cooperation movement. Quaid-e-Azam set it 14 points in Dash at Dash. Quaid-e-Azam set his 14 points in 1929 at Delhi. Gandhi-Irwin Pact was signed in dash, under which Congress called off the dash. Gandhi-Irwin Pact was signed in 1931, under which Congress called off civil disobedience movement. Next, under the Government of India Act 1935, the country was divided into dash, in which largest province was by population is dash. Under the Government of India Act 1935, the country was divided into 11 provinces, in which largest province by population is UP. Lahore Resolution 23rd March 1940 was second from Sindh by dash and from Balochistan by dash. Lahore Resolution on 23rd March 1940 was seconded by from Sindh by Abdullah Haroon and from Balochistan by Qazi Isa. State Bank of Pakistan was established on dash and the first governor was State Bank of Pakistan was established on 1st July 1948 and first governor was Zahid Hussain. At partition, the total number of princely states in United India were dash and the largest one was. At partition, the total number of princely states in United India were 562 and the largest one was Kashmir. Dash is the highest peak of Pakistan located in the mountain range of dash. K2 is the highest peak of Pakistan located in the mountain range of Karakoram. The Indus Basin Treaty was signed in dash with the courtesy of dash. The Indus Basin Treaty was signed in September 1960 with the courtesy of World Bank. बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। PMS पाकिस्तान स्टडीज़ पेपर के जो ऑब्जेक्टिव पोर्शन है उसका जो हमारा आज का पेपर है दैट इज़ ऑफ 2014। इसमें जो फिलिंग द ब्लैंक्स थे उसमें था ऑल इंडिया नेशनल कांग्रेस वाज फाउंडेड इन डैश एंड इट्स फाउंडर वाज डैश। ऑल इंडिया नेशनल कांग्रेस वाज फाउंडेड इन 1885 and its founder was A.O. Hume. Similar deputation consisted of dash members and it was led by dash. Similar deputation consisted of 35 members and it was led by Agha Khan. The right of separate electorate for the Indian Muslims was first conceded by the British Indian government in 1906. Quaid-e-Azam joined All India Muslim League in dash at dash. Quaid-e-Azam joined All India Muslim League in 1913 at Agra. Quaid-e-Azam presented it 14 points in dash at dash. He presented his 14 points in 1929 in Delhi. Pakistan Resolution 1940 was presented by dash and translated into Urdu by dash. Pakistan Resolution 1940 was presented by Fazul Haq and translated into Urdu by Zafar Ali Khan. Pakistan Resolution 1940 seconded from Sindh by dash and from Punjab. From Sindh by Abdullah Haroon and from Punjab by Zafar Ali Khan. Pakistan shares the longest border with dash and shortest border with Afghanistan and shortest border with China. Pakistan joined United Nations in 13 September 1947 and first permanent representative was A.S. Bukhari. Pakistan's national anthem was written by Hafiz Jalandhari and composed by A.G. Chagla. बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम PMS पाकिस्तान स्टडीज़ पेपर जो ऑब्जेक्टिव पार्ट है उसका जो आज का ईयर है वो 2015 है और इसमें जो फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स थे देवर सिंध मदरसातुल इस्लाम वाज एस्टेब्लिश्ड बाय डैश इन द डैश ईयर सिंध मदरसातुल इस्लाम वाज एस्टेब्लिश्ड बाय हसन अली अफंदी in 1885. Similar deputation 1905 comprising dash leaders met with Viceroy dash. With similar deputation 1905 comprising 35 leaders met with Viceroy Minto. All India Muslim League surrendered the demand of separate electorate in 1927 under the Qaid-e-Azam Delhi proposals. Next, Gandhi-Irwin Pact was signed in 1931, under which Congress decided to attend second round table conference. The British government announced communal award in dash under which Muslims' demand of separate electorate was. The British government announced communal award in 1932 under which Muslims' demand of separate electorate was granted. Next, Government of India Act 1935 divided India Act 1935 into dash provinces, and the largest province by population was. Government of India Act 1935 divided India into 11 provinces, and the largest province by population was UP. Vande Mataram song was written by Dash in his novel Dash. In Bankim Chandra Chatterjee in his novel Anand Math. Pakistan-Afghanistan border is called dash and it was drawn in dash. Pakistan-Afghanistan border is called Durand Line and it was drawn in 1893. K2 peak is in the mountain range of dash and its height is dash feet. K2 peak is in the mountain range of Karakoram and its height is 8611 meter. Pakistan recognized the People's Republic of China on dash and its first ambassador in China was. बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम PMS पाकिस्तान स्टडीज़ पेपर ऑब्जेक्टिव पार्ट जो आज का है हमारा दैट इज 2016. इसमें फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स थे वो थे पहले लिखा हुआ है पार्टीशन ऑफ बंगाल टुक प्लेस इन द ईयर डैश एंड इट वाज प्रपोज्ड बाय डैश. Partition of Bengal took place in the year 1905 and it was proposed by Lord Curzon. The Muslim League won dash Muslim seats in the Central Assembly and dash Muslim seats in provincial assemblies in the election 1945-6. The Muslim League won 30 Muslim seats in Central Assembly and 425 Muslim seats in provincial assemblies in the elections 1945-46. At the time of creation of Pakistan, there was a cash balance of rupees 4 billions and Pakistan was to get rupees 750 millions. Next, the first Prime Minister of Pakistan was dash and the first President was dash. First Prime Minister of Pakistan was Liaquat Ali Khan and first president was Khwaja Nazimuddin. Zakat and Ushur ordinance was promulgated on 20 June 1980 by Ziaul Haq. So, and Nari Bolan are the important dash of dash province. They are important rivers of Balochistan province. RCD was established in the year 1964 and it is renamed as ECO. Next, under the 1973 constitution, the first chairman of Senate was Khan Habibullah Khan. Pakistan's first women university was established at Rawalpindi in the year 1998. Pakistan's first public airline was PIA and the private airline was Crescent Airways. बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम PMS पाकिस्तान स्टडीज़ पेपर पास पेपर जो ऑब्जेक्टिव पोर्शन है उसका 2017 है आज। इसमें जो फिल द ब्लैंक्स आए थे देवर द इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस वाज एस्टेब्लिश्ड in 1885 by A.O. Hume. Dash was declared as the ambassador of Indo-Muslim unity by Dash. Jinnah Muhammad Ali Jinnah was declared as ambassador of Hindu-Muslim unity by G.K. Gokhale. The Cripps mission was sent to subcontinent in Dash under the leadership of Sir Dash. The Cripps mission was sent to subcontinent in 1942 under the leadership of Sir Christopher Cripps. The British government sold the state of Jammu and Kashmir to Dogra Raja Gulab Singh for rupees dash only in dash. The British government sold the state of Jammu and Kashmir to the Dogra Raja Gulab Singh of rupees 7.5 million only in 1875. Bharat declared to build up dash on river dash soon after the creation of Pakistan. Bharat declared to build up Farakka Dam on river Ganges soon after the creation of Pakistan. Pakistan's first president was Iskandar Mirza and first vice president was Nurul Amin. The National Assembly of Pakistan comprises dash members and the Senate comprises dash members. The National Assembly of Pakistan comprises 342 members and Senate comprises of 104 members. A British archaeologist, Sir John Marshall, supervised the excavation of the remains at Dash in Dash. A British archaeologist, Sir John Marshall, supervised the excavation of Harappa remains in 1921. Two Muslim members of Pakistan Boundary Commission were Justice Munir and Justice Deen Muhammad. K2 is also known as Dash and is the highest in Dash. K2 is also known as Godwin Austen and its height is 25,251 feet. बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम PMS पाकिस्तान स्टडीज़ पेपर का जो ऑब्जेक्टिव पार्ट है उसका ईयर आज का है 2019 इसमें जो फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स थे देवर कायद-ए-आज़म रिजाइंड फ्रॉम इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस इन डैश एज अ प्रोटेस्ट अगेंस्ट Quaid resigned from the Indian National Congress in 1920 as the protest against non-cooperation movement जिसे NCM कहते हैं. Maulana Muhammad Ali Johar started an Urdu daily newspaper dash in 1913 from dash. Maulana Muhammad Ali Johar started an Urdu daily newspaper Hamdard in 1913 from Delhi. Quaid-e-Azam inaugurated the State Bank of Pakistan on dash and its first governor was dash. Quaid-e-Azam inaugurated the State Bank of Pakistan on July 1948 and its first governor was Zahid Hussain. Pakistan shares largest border with dash and shortest border with dash. Pakistan shares largest border with Afghanistan and shorter border with China. The longest serving Chief Justice of Pakistan was dash from 9 June 1927 and shortest serving was Astan Kazakhstan. The first United Nations agency Pakistan joined as a member was FAO in the year 1947. The National Action Plan was launched by government in dash to crack down on terrorism having dash points. The National Action Plan was launched by the government in 2015 to crack down on terrorism having 20 points. Pakistan takes first structural adjustment package from the International Monetary Fund IMF during the regime of dash in the year dash. Pakistan takes first structural adjustment package from IMF during the regime of Ayub Khan in the year 1958. Takhti Bai is an archaeological site of dash civilization located near the city of Takhti Bai is an archaeological site of Buddhist civilization located near the city of dash in KPK.